Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae right back in the saddle with yet another video. If you are joining us for the first time today, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do me a favor and click that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, become a part of the Diamond Squad so you know as soon as I drop another video. Now Diamonds, I am so excited to say that my Sisterlocks are 10 months old. 10 months old. Can you believe it? I have juveniles up top this dome and I'm absolutely loving it. My loctician, I just got my last retie was yesterday, and I asked about maybe getting my hair colored, and she gave me the thumbs up to do because I want to do it purple, and I need to lift it to lighten my hair first. So she said I could do like maybe 5 test locks, lighten 5 of my locks as test, and then we'll go from there. So I'm so happy finally getting to that stage. Diamond, keep your hands crossed for me. Let's get into this video. Since my hair has gotten a little bit longer, I played with it a lot more over the last maybe 3 months, and I have my signature go-to styles. Am I going to the grocery store? Am I going out on a date? Am I just, running errands around town? I have about 4 or 5 go-to looks, a little bit more, but 4 or 5 main ones that I'm going to show you today. So Diamonds, if you're interested in seeing what I do on a day-to-day basis to my Sisterlocks, you know what to do. All right, Diamonds, before we get started, I'm going to remove this bobby pin. Why is it there, you ask? To protect this little guy right here. It's been unraveling this whole 10 months. I don't know what's going on, so I just keep the bobby pin on it just to remind myself to not rub my hands through it, rub my fingers through it, so I won't unravel it. Before I start styling my hair, I normally spray it down with either like a water mixture or either rose water. Today I am using Heritage Stores rose water. I love this stuff. I actually get it from Target. It does sell out quickly, so if you do find it, I'd buy a few. Once I have it dampened, I evenly distribute it with my fingers, just by finger combing it. Now my first style is 2 twists to the back. You basically just start off parting your Sisterlocks down the middle, grab a section and start twisting. Totally up to you if you want to leave any out on the sides. And then to secure it, I just use 2 or 3 bobby pins. Once I have it secured like I like it, make sure it's not too tight. You don't want to cause any unnecessary tension on your Sisterlocks. But once I have that done, then I fluff and rearrange my locks as needed. Look number 2 is super easy and super cute. I usually wear this when I go out on dates, night on the town, out at the bar having a few drinks, and it's really simple. So you're just basically going to sweep your hair either to your favorite side, which is your left or your right, from the opposite temple, and then take that section that's left and begin twisting. I usually leave a few strands out, but it's totally up to you. And once you have it twisted, now you just want to secure it with a bobby pin and you're good to go. For style number 3, it's my 2 ponytails. To start, part your hair down the middle. And since my hair is still kind of short in some areas, I don't want to pull the whole side into the ponytail. I kind of do like a half moon, leaving a few strands out along the back end and right above my ear. To gather them together, I'm going to use a small cloth ponytail holder. I think I got this from like CVS. It's the only one that I found that doesn't really pull my hair, so I really like them. And I wrap it around twice, just to make sure I don't apply too much tension to my locks. And then once I have them both up, then I'll finger comb them to make them look the way I want to. I also, with this look, instead of leaving them out to like be puff balls, I will kind of roll them around and then secure them with another one of those cloth ponytail holders. But I didn't decide to do it today, but you kind of know what I mean. Just kind of wrap it around and then secure the top. That way it looks a little bit more clean than mine just kind of sticking out of the ponytail. For my 4th, and I would have to say my favorite look, I call this the wake and bake, baby. It's literally shake and go. I would spray it down, get it damp a little bit, finger comb my hair, shake and go, baby. You cannot, I don't care what's going on, you cannot, you'll not go wrong with this look. For the 5th and final look, starting with my hair parted down the middle, I'm going to grab one side and I'm going to start braiding it down. Now it's kind of similar to the second look that I did, only I'm grabbing more hair. It's less hair that is actually out. It's not flipped over at the temple, but it definitely reminds me of the look. But with this, I actually like the braid just as an element, just to give it some, I guess, some oomph, something to look at. So I do braid it to the back for this. And diamonds, this is my 5 favorite looks. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have locks, comment down below. Let me know what you do to your locks on a day-to-day basis. Am I missing out on a gem that I should be doing right now? Definitely let me know down below. Diamonds, this has been a journey with my locks. I love it. We're 10 months in. It blows my mind that it's about to be 1 year, right? Oh my God. So diamonds, stay tuned for much more. Diamonds, as always, take care of yourself, take care of others. Thank you so much. I love you for your support and your encouragement. Until next time.